Many people ask me what a mommy makeover is, and it's a very common procedure that we perform here at the Aesthetic Plastic Surgery and Med Spa of Naples. Mommy makeover is usually after a patient has had children or changes in life like menopause or weight loss, and it's where the breasts and the abdomen and other parts of the body tend to be a little more loose and flabby, and sometimes the breasts have deflated. And so a lot of times we do a breast lift or a breast augmentation with a lift, or even sometimes just a breast reduction to help lift up the breasts and make them a bit smaller. In addition, we do something to the tummy, which is typically a tummy tuck. And with that, we use progressive tension sutures, which really help with the postoperative recovery and no need for drains. Additionally, we do liposuction, 360 degrees, and that helps also shape the waist and the hips.